Hello, everyone. Are you wondering if dogs can eat soup? Let's explore. No, dogs should not eat most soups, as they often contain ingredients that are harmful to dogs, such as onions, garlic, and high levels of salt. Even homemade soups can be too rich or seasoned for a dog's sensitive digestive system. Store-bought soups are especially risky because they tend to be high in sodium, which can lead to dehydration or salt poisoning. If you want to give your dog a broth-like treat, opt for plain, homemade chicken or beef broth without any added salt or spices. It's safer and healthier for your dog than traditional soup. Always check the ingredients carefully before offering any human food to your dog. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.